So this is the Ryobi compound miter saw, and I've had this for probably four years now, 4 or 5 years. As you can see, it's really dirty. I use it all the time for DIY projects. I absolutely love this saw. I think that if you are someone who loves to do just simple DIY projects around the house, it's kind of your hobby, this saw is going to work perfect for you. So this one does have a cord, so you'll have to plug it in. Some of the features I'll kind of show you. So if you are going to make a cut, this just comes straight down like this. There is a button on here for on off. What's really neat about down here is that you can actually move this. So you just loosen the knob here and then you pinch. It moves from side to side like this, so you can do different angled cuts. The sliding mechanism is super smooth. Just push it forward, pull it back to make your cut if you're cutting a wider size board. So here's just a little bit of an action shot of me cutting a piece of plywood that I had on hand. So when I cut, you see that it has a little light on it as well, which is really nice, so you can see exactly where you're cutting. I overall just think this saw is amazing. I love it. I use it for so many different projects. Really, the amount of projects you could use something like this for are endless. So I highly recommend this saw. We've had no issues with it whatsoever, and I've been able to create some really, really awesome DIY accent walls in our house, furniture, just really anything you can think of, you can make with this saw.